hi everyone. So my name is Rushdina Arifah Binti Rushdan and I am from NBTM 4A. Before I start, I would like to ask you guys one simple question. Okay, so have you ever come back home after work, school or class and then you see many clothes in your room? Some are still in the basket, some are still hanging, some are on the bed or chair and they are clean but not folded. They are dry but not ironed. So when we see that, we will already feel that we will already feel tired before we even start to do the work. Am I right? So we sometimes will say that I will do it later, but later the clothes are still there. So this is why my business pitch topic today that I would like to present to you, to introduce to you all is the product name Smartfold AI laundry machine. This is a common problem for many people, especially people with busy schedules. So, as for me, I am a full time worker and also a part time student. So, I understand how hard it is to manage time between work, study, assignment, and house call. So, after a long day, I still need to manage my clothes. And sometimes to prepare clothes for 1 week, it can also take around 3 to 4 hours, especially when I need to iron and fold many clothes. So for people with children or big family, it can take even more time. Just laundry is not only about washing clothes. After washing, we still need to dry, iron, fold and arrange the clothes. So for many people, ironing and folding are the most tiring parts. And most machines today can wash and dry clothes, but after that, we still need to iron and fold by ourselves. So, this is where I think we need to have a machine that can help with the final part of the laundry, which is ironing and folding. Another problem is clothes can be damaged if you are not careful. Some clothes need special care, such as scarf, baju kurung, office shirt, or soft fabric. So if the iron is too hot, the clothes can get burnt or damaged. So some people choose to send clothes to laundry service, but if you use it too often, it can be expensive. So this task may look simple, but when we need to do it every week, it can make us feel tired, stressed, and waste a lot of time. So now my solution is Smartfold AI laundry machine. So Smartfold AI is a two-in-one that can help to iron and fold clothes automatically. So this machine is designed to save time, reduce stress, and make laundry easier. Okay, now how to use this machine? So the way to use this machine is very simple. First, users only need to arrange the clothes inside the machine compartment, so the clothes do not need to be folded first. Users just place the clothes properly in the tray. Second, users choose the setting based on the type of clothes or fabric. For example, cotton, silk, office wear, scarf, baju kurung, or casual clothes because this type of item have different types of fabric. Okay, so the machine has smart temperature control. This helps the machine use the right heat for different types of fabric, so it can reduce the risk of burning or damage the clothes. Okay, third, the machine will start to iron the clothes automatically. So users do not need to stand and iron clothes one by one. Alright. And then the fourth one is after ironing, the machine will fold the clothes automatically. The clothes will come out neatly folded and users can directly keep them and put them in the wardrobe or drawer. So it's very easy, right? Okay, now I will tell you what is the benefits of smart full AI laundry machine. First, it can save time. Users can reduce their time spent on ironing and folding clothes. So second, it is easy to use. Users only need to put the clothes inside, choose the setting and press the start. And third, it can reduce stress and tiredness. Because after work or class, users do not need to spend too much energy on laundry, especially on ironing and folding. So fourth, it can protect clothes. So the smart temperature control can help protect sensitive fabric from damage. And fifth, It is suitable for small home. People who live in apartments or rented rooms may not have enough space for ironing board and many laundry items. My target market for this machine is people with busy schedules like working adults, students, parents. Okay, so for laundry shops, this machine can help reduce manual work and save operation time. For home, this machine can make daily life easier. So the main idea for Smartfold AI is simple. It helps people save time, reduce stress, and manage laundry in an easier way. So this product is not only about folding the clothes, but also helping people manage their daily routine. So let me ask you again, would you like to have a machine that helps you iron and fold clothes automatically? Would you like to save time and feel less tired after a long day? If yes, Smart Fold AI laundry machine can be the best answer for you guys. So let Smart Fold AI handle your clothes so you can focus on your life. So that's all from me. Thank you.